Donlouco, Ireland. Donlouco is your partner for parts. Donlouco, a supplier of engineered parts based in Ireland with manufacturing in China. Delivering parts to customers, meeting exact requirements and standards at all times. Experts in the area of parts manufacturing, tooling, scheduling, and global logistics. CNC machining at our facility in China and using our network of approved suppliers for many other engineering commodities. At Donlouco, we take the time to precisely understand customer parts and application requirements, having the unique ability to communicate these requirements exactly to the shop floor. A team of qualified engineers and managers that are experienced in European standards, operating in China to ensure quality standards can be achieved and maintained at all times. Expertise and experience based in the areas of power utility sector, automotive components, industrial automation, and industrial components sectors. Fully ISO and EN 1090 approved for CE marking. If you need to manage parts cost, eliminate indirect sourcing cost, and the cost of poor quality, then come and talk to us. We have lots of experience and advice to share with you.